Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Roxy. I hope you guys are doing well today. In this video, I'm getting my hair styled again by Stush Creations, and this wig is sponsored by My First Wig. Now, My First Wig is known for sending some great quality units. This unit in particular was pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and they sent it to me in their 10-inch length silky texture Indian REMY hair with a 160% density. These wigs are perfect for beginners, especially if you do not feel comfortable bleaching and plucking and customizing your unit. Now, it was so customized that even Stush did not have to go in and bleach the knots at all, and that's something that she specializes in, so she was so shocked. She only did some tweezing, a little bit more tweezing, but I know for sure if she did not go in and pluck anymore, we would have been good to go regardless. But just out of habit and just because she likes things a certain way, she did do a little bit of tweezing. So before we continue with this video, my voice is a little bit hoarse today and I'm speaking a little bit quieter. I did get my teeth removed, so my gums are a bit swollen and my throat is very sore. So now that we got that out the way, we're going to continue on with the video. Stush gave me a bald cap, so we definitely did a bald cap method so that we can get a nice slay. I am installing this wig not only to show you guys how beautiful it is, but also because I am going to a wedding, a friend's wedding, and I thought this wig would have been suitable for the dress and just my overall look, and I'm so happy with how everything turned out. Now, just some more details of the wig. This wig came in a natural color, so it's not jet black. I would say it's more like a number 2 if you were to go to the hair store. It's like a nice natural brown color. If you like your hair darker, I'm pretty sure you can color it and get a nice dark rich color. I'm not sure if I mentioned in the beginning, but this is said to be a Indian REMY hair with 160% density. On the website, it's listed as the GEMINI collection. Now, of course, I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below for you guys to check it out. My first wig has been around for a while, and it is one of the better brands in terms of quality of the hair, the lace, and just making everything so much easier for beginners. Now, when the wig was placed on my head, it was a little bit snug. I believe I got a cap size 1. Although it was snug, it still fit, but we really had to push it on. And also, I loved how the wig looked without it being cut or flat iron. Just the overall edgy cut and shape it was giving. However, we still went in and we cut it down a little bit. I just knew that I wanted to bring the sides around my ears and bring forward some baby hairs along the sideburns. So I had another stylist come in and just shape it down for me. But now that I look back, it wasn't necessary. The wig was cut very well. But whatever we're doing here is just a little bit extra. So we did taper down the sides and the back just a little bit. We didn't take off too much hair at all, just to shape it up so it can have like a finished overall look. And as you guys can see, I was definitely loving the wig already, and the lace wasn't even cut. Just the overall shape was giving me like a different vibe. I was really feeling that. I was excited to put my look together for the wedding. Now, she did go in and add some curls to the longer side of the unit. Now, looking back, I could have done without it. I wasn't looking for like a curled look. I was going for more of what I wanted was more like an edgy look, something more blunt, more straight. but I did get some curls, which I ended up smoothing out a bit after, but it's okay. I still enjoyed the look. So just keep in mind, if you want to keep it like nice and edgy, no need to over curl it. Just straighten it out a little bit, and maybe give it a nice clean cut or blunt trim. And that's something that I would do differently next time. As you guys can see, the lace is melting so well. The part on the unit is bleached perfectly, and this wasn't any additional bleaching. Like I mentioned, this is how the wig came, so I was so impressed. I was so happy with how natural, blended, melted everything looked. So she did ask me if I wanted baby hairs. I wanted baby hairs today just to kind of soften up the look a little bit, and I definitely wanted some around the ear tabs, especially since I planned on wearing the hair back behind my ears. So this is one reason why I wanted to go with baby hairs, and I ended up loving it. I believe the baby hairs were a perfect touch to this unit. I love how smooth and sleek everything is. I love how I'm able to get a nice pixie bob look. This wig is listed as a pixie, however it's giving me more of a bob, a really short bob vibe. So I'm gonna call it a bob, however it is listed as a pixie. Also, I did end up cutting the longer side just a little bit when I got home, just to give it a nice trim. It was looking a little bit long. I played with it a lot. I brought the hair back. I smoothed it out. But nonetheless, I loved the overall look. I'm going to show you guys the back here and how short it is. So it looks like that. Everything came out really nice. I felt really classy and polished and perfect for the wedding. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my first wig for easy to install beginner wigs, pre-plucked and pre-bleached. And they also have great packaging with very helpful utensils that come inside the packaging as a plus. So perfect for beginners, like I mentioned. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as usual, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.